Hey guys, this is just a BMX pretty much parts thing. I got a shitload of parts and I got a Fly Montana frame. So we'll start off over here. Alright. So just specialized tread. Odyssey Hazard Light rim. 48 hole. Odyssey mono lever. It's pretty old. 1664 death cable. It's brand new. I just took it out of the wrapping today. About 100 spokes and nipples inside of there. We got chain breaker, DK Alpha stem. It doesn't slip at all. Animal butcher pegs, brand new. Haven't used them yet. S&M XLT seat clamp. E-clat padded one-piece seat. Velgo pedals. Animal pin pedals and Steve Hamilton PC pedals. KMC 710 chain. Got an E-clat dual integrated headset. Comes in like 30 different pieces. High and low choice. I got a pair of old Fuse forks. They're not that heavy either, surprisingly. Got Bit Blade lights. They're insanely light and they're a really nice fork. Okay, inside this was for my Primo hub. So we got two BBs in here. This is a Primo 19mm mid BB. And we have an Animal 19mm mid BB. I just keep them in there for storage. And then over here we got a Eastern Decepticon stem in purple. I don't think I've ever had it slip on me. It's really nice. And then in this box we have a Odyssey cassette hub. It's the V3. I need to get a new driver for it. Just brand new bearings in it too. That's that. And we got Primo N4 hub, Primo red spokes, and a 1664 triple wall rim for my front wheel. It's actually a sick ass wheel. Like, it's so nice. It cost me about $210 plus lacing because I screwed up on the lacing a couple times and I didn't really want to do it. Stock fuse bars. Some Sunday Triumph bars, SMM dive bars, these ones right here. Some Miracle Edit bars. They're pretty shitty then heavy. And no, that's not it. And here is my 2010 Fly Montana frame. It's pretty sick. It's really light. It's 20.6 top tube. It's got the Montana sign on it. 3 ride. And I think that's about it. Oh, and I have a Odyssey V3 elementary stem. That's the box for it, but not sure where I put it right now. Alright, so comment, rate, describe. If you want anything, comment on my wall, because I will sell most of the stuff. Alright, see ya.